Facts about Airbus 320-214. Meet the Airbus 320-214 aviation star performer. Its fame? The world's first commercial jet to use fly-by-wire control systems. This behemoth can carry up to 180 passengers, ensuring comfortable long-distance travel. Powered by two CFM56-5B4 engines, it promises efficiency and reduced noise levels. It boasts an impressive range of 3,700 nautical miles, connecting continents with ease. Lastly, its superior safety features ensure peace of mind, making the Airbus 320-214 a true icon of the skies.